Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're uncovering the story of a mysterious and almost forgotten Soviet fighter, the Sukhoi Su-1. A machine that promised speed, power, and high-altitude performance at a time when the skies of Europe were filled with war. In 1939, Soviet engineers were racing to catch up with German and British fighter technology. Pavel Sukhoi, one of the USSR's rising aircraft designers, took on the bold challenge to create a next-generation fighter that could climb higher and faster than anything in the Soviet arsenal. The result was the Sukhoi Su-1, known originally as the I-330. It looked sleek and modern for its time, low wing, all metal, with retractable landing gear and a streamlined fuselage that cut through the air like a knife. But what made it truly special was what hid beneath the surface, a turbo-supercharged Klimov M105P engine, designed to keep power even at high altitudes. On paper, the Su-1 was revolutionary. It could reach speeds of over 640 km per hour, had a service ceiling above 11,000 meters, and carried two 20mm SHVAC cannons, serious firepower for the early 1940s. However, the project faced enormous technical challenges. The supercharger system, key to its high-altitude advantage, constantly failed during testing. Parts were scarce, the system overheated, and reliability became a nightmare for Soviet engineers. Despite these struggles, test pilots praised the Su-1's handling and sleek aerodynamics. It was stable, fast, and elegant, a machine ahead of its time. But as World War II intensified, the Soviet Union prioritized proven, easily produced aircraft like the Yak and La series. The Su-1 never went into mass production, only a few prototypes were built, and its potential faded quietly into history. Still, the Su-1 laid the foundation for something greater. Its development helped Sukhoi's design bureau gain experience, leading to future icons like the Su-7, Su-15, and eventually the powerful Su-27 family. The Su-1 may have never seen combat, but it symbolized the Soviet dream to conquer the skies with innovation, courage, and engineering brilliance. In the end, the Sukhoi Su-1 wasn't just a prototype. It was the spark that lit the fire of Soviet fighter design. A forgotten hero that helped shape the legacy of Sukhoi for generations to come.